What's going on, my YouTube family? Hey, got a new member to the family. The Ar15 2022 7-inch barrel. This is a review. We're gonna see how she blow. We're gonna see how she work out here. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna see how she work out here. And we bought the 2 long too. We got a 2 long too. You know what I'm saying? So we got the Ar15, we got the G2C, and we got the PT111. You know what I'm saying? We got four out here.
Petrified or terrified, just no guap on it. Yeah, I'm amongst gods. Constitution's what I exercise on the shanty. I keep shorties mesmerized. On the shanty, I keep bitches mesmerized. Don't get your bitch mesmerized. They can't fuck with me. Hell nah. Hell nah. Hell nah. You won't fuck with me. Hell nah. Hell nah. Hell nah. You can't fuck with me. Hell nah. Hell nah. Hell nah.
High power, shorty. Barrel high. I'm gonna slow it up so y'all can see the flames coming off there. I'm gonna replay.
They can't fuck with me. Hell nah. Hell nah. Hell nah. You won't fuck with me. Hell nah. Hell nah. Hell nah. You can't fuck with me. Hell nah. Hell nah. Hell nah. They can't fuck with me. Hell nah. Hell nah. Hell nah.
Grab my shotgun.
Hell nah. Hell nah. You won't fuck with me. Hell nah. Hell nah. Hell nah. You can't fuck with me. Hell nah. Hell nah. Hell nah. They can't fuck with me. Hell nah. Hell nah. Hell nah. They can't fuck with me. Hell nah. Hell nah. Hell nah. You won't fuck with me.
My little setup.
Hell nah. Hell nah.
It's missing like 2 more, but you know, this is what we brought out today to play with. You know what I'm saying? It's the targets. This is my target right there. Them 2 right there. The red one and the one behind is mine. That target, and the one behind it. Just giving y'all a little review on my baby, man. I am so in love right now. I'm in love with her right now. So in love. It was love at first sight, but you know. Yeah, man. I'm gonna have to, you know, put some clothes on, dress up, get a scope, a beam, you know, flashlight in front. You know what I'm saying? Strap. Yeah. Right out here working with some artillery, man. Right out here working with some nice. Of course, everybody's out here working with some nice artillery too. I can't tell y'all where I'm at. It's a secret location, man. My secret location. I can't tell y'all where I'm at. But everybody got some nice artillery on the table. You know what I'm saying? One thing I can say, if you're in the Florida area, come holler at me, man. We can go out together. You know what I'm saying? I can bring you and your shorty, whoever. You know, we can go out and we go out together. Triple double date, you know what I mean? With me and you can't fuck with me. Hell nah. Hell nah. Hell Hey man, there you have it, man. A little gun range action for y'all, man. That mother lover Ar15 7-inch barrel is the best gun I shot ever. Working on getting a Draco next, and an AK. Y'all gonna see. I'm gonna keep this thing coming. Every time I bring a new one home, y'all gonna know I got it. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite gun and why. Like, share, and subscribe. You feel me, man. Until then, love myself.